Alright guys, so this is going to be a really quick intro because I have to go pick some stuff up. But if you look right here, you can see there's something missing on my car. And if you'll look over there, the big long box, that is parts for the car. So the other day on Instagram, I kind of told you guys that there was going to be some big changes coming soon. And right now I'm getting ready to run to the paint shop and pick up those big changes. So come on with me and we will go see what the big changes are.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, so we're back in the garage, and as you can see, I have the car up on a jack. And if you guys guessed already, which you probably did knowing that I took the front lip off to get painted, that I have got side skirts and a rear lip as well. So I've already went ahead and jacked up the car, took both wheels off because my wheels are so wide we wouldn't be able to get a drill in to attach the side skirts good. So I went ahead and took the wheels off, and I've went ahead and wiped it down once. I don't know if you guys can see how it's dirty up here, and then I've got from like here down is clean. Make sure you get in between your doors too. That's another thing. On this video, I'm going to kind of go a little bit fast and not explain as much stuff because we're kind of in a hurry. But as you guys remember, I already showed you guys how to put the front lip on, so I'll probably not put it on this video, or if I do, it'll be like real quick. So if you guys are wanting to put a front lip on, go ahead and click up in the top corner right here right now, and it should pop over and show you the lip video. But anyway guys, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to start with the side skirt because we hadn't done it yet. The front lip should be pretty simple. We already have some of the brackets underneath, as you guys can see right here. But anyway, other than that, I just used some soap and water and just cleaned it off once to try to get, you know, wax or anything off that I put on it. And then after that, I'm going to go over it with some alcohol, which is right here, right before we stick it on. So you're going to use some 3M tape for the side skirts, and then they also give you some stingers, which I don't have out here with me right now, but I actually went to the automotive store and got some of the automotive screws. So we're just going to drill a pilot hole in, and then put those in so they'll actually kind of blend in with the paint better where they're black. The stingers they sent were shiny like silver. But anyway, so that's kind of the gist of it. Now we'll go ahead and start putting the side skirts on. I have a little secret that I'm going to do to my side skirts that I'm actually not going to show you guys. But if you want to know, you can comment down below and I might tell you. But anyway, it should make the side skirts look a little bit better than what they do. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys the side skirts and stuff painted. Okay, so we're upstairs. I went and put them in our spare bedroom. But as you guys can see, there's the side skirt, front lip, back lip. And then I actually have an Rs3 Grille that I've had forever. I pulled it off of a wrecked one, and I've got it black. So I might be one of the only people running the Rs3 Grille in black. I don't know. I know there's some people that have it in that flint mica color, which is that like silver, dark gray color. But I don't know if anybody's running it in black. So, but anyway, so this is the side skirts and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and take one down for the passenger side, and we're going to start putting the 3M tape on it and mounting it up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where we put our 3M tape at. So we just went right here, right there, went around this edge, and then just a full piece right there. Nothing on the edge because it's really tight right here. And I'll show you guys what we're using too, just so you know for sure. We're using kind of the thinner stuff because they do make a thicker one. So there you can see a difference right there. So anyway, so there's that, and then of course we're going to have the 2 screws come in right here and then right here. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
You don't think that screw over here was going to hold it off either, do you?
No.
It's probably the same thing.
Yep.
Alright, you tell me when you're going to go up. You going up?
Okay, I am in position.
Okay, I'm in position.
Just kind of tilt it up
Okay.
and line up and go.
Okay, I'm good back here. Okay, so now that we had the 3M on, we went ahead and put our screw in, so you can kind of tell where you're going to hit at right up here and just go over. We actually measured, we went a 1/2 inch over and a 1/2 inch down. So there's what the front one looks like, and then there's what the back one looks like, and it's really solid. So there's what it looks like on the car. Okay, so now we've put it back on the ground. You guys can kind of see how it fits. Plenty of room. Plenty of room in the back. It helped a lot with bringing the side of the car out to the wheels. I had a little bit of poke before, but now, as you can see, we're pretty close to being even now. Okay, so now we turn the car around, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to clean this side and go get the other side skirt and put it on. Alright, so we got our 3M on the other side skirt. Now we're going to go ahead and put it on the car. Okay, so now we've got this side done and lowered the car back down. So now we got both side skirts on. So now we'll go ahead and do the lip. Okay, so now we got the front lip down here. We're getting ready to put the tape on it, the 3M double-sided tape on it. We've got the front end cleaned. Okay, so we got our 3M tape on the front lip now. And then, like I said before, we've already mounted this lip one time, so we've already got our brackets down here on both sides. And if you guys want to watch that video again, at the very end of this video, you can just look it up on my page, or you can go back at the first where I said that it was up. So we got the screw in here, all the 3M on all the way around. Then we got the screw in right here. And then there's our brackets underneath, right there. And right there. So there's those brackets. And I was going to tell you guys that this is the Evo lip with the RS side skirts. So the Racing Solution side skirts. Alright, so where we were in such a rush, I went ahead and put the grill in. So there's what it looks like. The Release Series 3 grill comes on the pearl white cars, the one with the Ken style body kit. It comes stock like that. But I found this on one of their bumpers, had it repainted black. So I've never seen one in black, so I might be the first person to have that grill in black. Anyway, there's what it looks like. Took the Silent badge off, put the TRD badge on. There's what the old grill looked like. But anyway, guys, so for now, that's all we're going to do. We'll put the back lip on at a later date, and then the car will be complete for, I guess, the shows this summer. There might be a couple other small things that we do here and there. But anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, guys, so thanks for watching. This will be the end of this video. If you hadn't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the bell at the top so you'll get notifications when I have new videos come out. And down in the description below will be my Instagram account. Go ahead and follow me there. I update a lot more there. And I'll see you guys next time.